Hello everybody, it's Uncle Bill O'Gorman here at the Royal Nissan store in Cortland, and I'm back with another great value from Nissan. Again, we just found out about these. They're leases, they're not going to last. This one here is on this 2020 Nissan Pathfinder. This Pathfinder, which is a full-size SUV and pretty well equipped, stock number M132. This vehicle right here, the way you're looking at it, the SV edition, all-wheel drive, all the goodies that you would like. This right now is available to lease for just $399 a month. That's right, $399 a month with only $1,900 down. It's got the carbon fiber-like seating material, the easy clean interior, power seat. It's really got all the equipment most anybody would want. So if you're interested in driving a four-wheel drive SUV, a very nicely equipped vehicle for less than most everybody else is paying for a pre-owned vehicle, call me today, text me today, Uncle Bill O'Gorman here at Royal Nissan, Royal Subaru, Route 281, Cortland.